When we talk about making extra payments to these amortized debts like student loans, car loans, mortgages, you want to make sure you're actually paying down the loan. So, depending on the lender, they may not be applying those extra payments the way that you think. So, if I pay an extra $500, then my loan balance is going to drop by 500 bucks. But it may not be true depending on the way that your lender automatically applies the payment. So, you may have the option to say principal only payment and then perfect, right? Your extra payment, you know it's going to go directly towards the principal. However, especially with car notes, I've seen this, that your extra payment is going toward the next scheduled payment instead of going towards your principal. So people think, oh, I'm paying off my car note faster. No, no, no. You just made your July, August payment, and now your next payment is due in September. So you've saved nothing. So if your goal is to pay off the loan early, you want to pay less interest, or you want to build equity faster, you can't just simply throw extra money on your payment. You really have to understand where your money's going. So, like we said, if there's an option to say principal only, then great, choose that. But if there is no option, you need to call. You need to ask, how can I make a principal only payment? How can I make sure that this money was applied correctly? So you don't want to assume that the bank is going to do what you want it to do. You want to double check.